How to delete Meta AI in Facebook. If you are concerned of having your Meta AI automatically installed on Facebook and you want to remove it, this video is for you. To locate your Meta AI, first you have to navigate to the top right corner where you see the search icon and tap on it. But among the list of menus here, you have the various functionalities of Meta AI, whether you want to use it in the search bar or you want to have a personalized conversation with it. So let's click on Chat with Meta AI. After clicking it, we can start having a conversation with Meta AI. So in this case, I'm gonna ask the Meta AI how to delete it in Facebook. So the quick prompt is how to delete Meta AI in Facebook. Then continue to tap on enter to allow it to give you the various directions that you can do. But the Meta AI has given us its response that Meta AI aims to be helpful assistant and is in the search bar to assist with your question. You can't disable it from this experience, but you can tap on the search button after writing your query to search how you normally would. So this means the Meta AI is a feature that you can't uninstall or deactivate it now, and that's the downside of having the Meta AI installed. We hope that in the coming future updates, Facebook will try to allow its users to decide whether they want to use the Meta AI or not. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.